Chances are, when you were younger, you played cops and robbers. But how about a game of cops and chefs, or maybe bakers and burglars? As Channel 3's Barry Brown reports, it's not all crime and punishment when you're a cop. Sometimes it's flour and baking soda.
This is the city. Sacramento, California. It's Tuesday, the night shift for the CHP South Sacramento. His name is Hill. He carries a badge and a spatula.
That's right, mister, a spatula, along with a mixing bowl, a measuring cup, and an occasional wooden spoon. And you want to know why? I'll tell you why. Officer Hill knows his way around a kitchen. Sure, he's a cop, he's a good cop, but he's a cooking cop, and his cooking has taken him to the finals of the Pillsbury Bake-Off.
The story you're about to see is true. Only the name of the recipe has been changed to protect the ingredients.
I enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun, especially with the prospect of winning $40,000. It can be awfully enjoyable.
He's only been cooking seriously for a couple of years, but next week, Steve Hill will be one of 100 finalists in the Pillsbury Bake-Off. He's keeping his recipe top secret.
Pillsbury basically swears us, all 100 of us, to secrecy. All I can tell you basically is that it's a cake.
To some, the kitchen is pretty far removed from law enforcement. But Hill, whose wife is a champion cook, finds it a healthy change of pace. And perhaps he can help move men's cooking off the back burner.
Maybe it's about time that a man did win Pillsbury. Maybe it's about time.
In Sacramento, Barry Brown, Channel 3 reports.
Good luck.
Boy, if he wins, I'd like to have a piece of that cake.
Yeah, I would, even if he didn't win.
Maybe we'll have him on the Sunrise.
There you go.
Bring him to one of our Sunrise breakfast
The
parties.
guest chef.
We have a set over there. We can have him cook.
That's right.
We have great weather. Speaking of cooking, the sun is going to do some cooking today. We'll be up near 70 degrees again for the third consecutive.